Consuming fish oil on a daily basis can have various effects on the human body. Fish oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, which are considered essential for overall health. Here are some potential benefits and considerations of consuming fish oil daily. Heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids have been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. They can help lower triglyceride levels, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of abnormal heart rhythms. Brain function. DHA, one of the omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil, is a key component of brain tissue. Regular consumption of fish oil may support cognitive function and contribute to brain development in infants. Inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids possess anti-inflammatory properties and may help alleviate symptoms of certain inflammatory conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis. Eye health. DHA is also present in high concentrations in the retina. Adequate intake of omega-3 fatty acids through fish oil may support eye health and help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Mental health. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids may have a positive impact on mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. However, further research is needed to establish conclusive evidence. Blood clotting. Fish oil can slightly thin the blood, which may be beneficial for individuals at risk of excessive blood clotting. However, it can also increase bleeding risk, especially when combined with certain medications or prior to surgeries. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional, particularly if you are taking blood-thinning medications. Side effects. While fish oil is generally safe for most people, it can sometimes cause gastrointestinal issues like diarrhea, indigestion, or fishy burps. High doses may also interfere with vitamin E absorption or interact with certain medications, so it is essential to follow recommended dosage. It's worth noting that the specific benefits and potential risks of consuming fish oil can vary depending on factors such as the individual's overall health, existing medical conditions, and the quality and purity of the fish oil product. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice before making any significant changes to your diet or supplementation routine.